What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Art Adventures. Appreciate you guys watching the video. This is going to be a different type of video. It's going to be a gameplay of an airsoft event I went to in Lithia, Florida at Black Tiger Airsoft, Operation Dawnbreaker. I went with my brother-in-law. We had a blast. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Check out this awesome footage I got from my LVOA KYTAC War Sports. At this point in the video, we're in the woods. This is the second stronghold. And they did not capture the first stronghold. Basically, we held them off for about 2 hours, and after 2 hours, they just cut the gameplay. We took an hour break, had lunch, rehydrated, filled up our ammunition, and we went ahead and gave them the first stronghold so we can advance the game and just make it a little bit more exciting. So at this point, we're in the woods, and this is where the game actually starts getting a little better because people are advancing. At least they're trying to, but we're just doing a really good job at holding them off. And you'll see all the gameplay from here on out and how much action we actually do get in here. This style of respawn is a 20-second buddy system, so you have to have your hand on your buddy and count to 20 Mississippi in order for them to respawn. So this is a little bit difficult to see, but there's people that we're shooting and they're constantly being revived, so we're shooting them over and over, and it's not many people moving throughout the actual field, but we're just keeping them at bay where they're at. We continue to shoot the same people. They keep getting response, so we continue to shoot them, and that's pretty much what this full scene is going to be. But it is fun. It was exciting to get some pretty long distance shots inside shrubs and be able to hit them. Paintball, it's really difficult to do that, so that's why I switched over to airsoft, and I'm really enjoying it so far. Again, it's my first gameplay with airsoft as a big event instead of playing locally, say 5-on-5, 10-on-10. But this was a really cool event. It was an awesome time, and I hope you guys enjoy.
Hit! Who's shooting me in the back?
You got shot in the back?
Yeah, I literally got shot in the back of the head.
18, 19, 20. Straight. At the big stump, at the big knockdown tree. Yeah, they've been there the whole time.
I'm picking these guys off on the left-hand side. Just keep that right side down. All right, I got the other guy behind that log. There's 3 down over here. possibly 4 down over here that we hit, but I got eyes on nobody else. One guy's running to the right over here, straight in my 12. Okay, I got you. I just can't shoot through this shrub right here. Maybe I can. What do you guys have over here on this side? How far right?
So at this point, you can actually see somebody duck that peeked his head out on the right side of this tree, and he completely disappeared. At this time, I go ahead and I try to shoot into the shrubs, and my mag goes dry. Out of ammo, I have to reload, and I miss my opportunity. I have no idea where this guy goes after this. I don't see him ever again.
Hey, right here, right at this tree, at the palmettos. Watch where I'm shooting. Hey, listen, right here.
Oh, hit.
Yeah. Yeah, I know. Yeah, I just hit him again.
So as you guys can see, for about 30 minutes, I've been sitting at the same tree. Nobody's found me, nobody's shot me. I've been picking people off. We're at a standstill and the other team is not advancing. So our captain screams to fall back to the city so we can have some more fun and let them advance. So we go ahead and we fall back.
Where we go?
No, I saw him over there. I saw somebody run across that opening between the two. Yeah. He's going way back over here by this yellow in the far back.
Do it. Want to sprint?
Let's go. All right. Yo, hang here real quick. Hang there. Observe, see what you got. Hey, these guys are directly to my left now. They're right behind this big tree. Right, okay. 100 yards out maybe, 80 yards out. Oh, these guys are not out there. Oh, this guy's right there.
In the second half of this video, we're holding down the city. Me and Joel are holding down the left side of our flank where it's just us two. As far as we know, we have 50 to 60 players on the right side of our field or in the middle, and it's just me and Joel on the left side. So as people keep trying to come in and flank us, Joel and I are literally holding down the entire left side of this field.
Yeah. I got one of them. I got one of them.
So here's a dead man walking clip. I go ahead and I shoot this guy on his entry to the tree that he tries to hunker down at. Once he gets there, I shoot him 2 more times where he actually does call his hit. I did not hear it because I'm inside of a container, and the container is extremely loud every time I shoot my gun. So once you get hit, try to make it as clear as possible. Wave your hand, throw a dead rag out, something to let us know to stop shooting.
That's a gun hit.
So now we're coming to the end of the video. This is where my GoPro actually shuts off from being overheated because it was really hot inside that container. I thought that maybe my battery had died or my memory had already finished. Apparently it didn't because I still had plenty of space. This is where it got insane fun. People just kept coming our way and we just kept picking them off. We had a handful of people actually flank all the way around us, and as they're on our backsides, I'm able to actually turn over and look the opposite direction and start picking them off from that side as well. But unfortunately, my camera didn't catch it because it shut off. I thought it was dead, so I didn't bother turning it back on, and I was in the heat of the moment. So unfortunately, didn't get that. But hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Hopefully, I can bring another airsoft video soon. Thanks for watching. Have fun. Enjoy.